the miracle tree that could cure 300 diseases including cancer, tumor and diabetes. The moringa tree is called the miracle tree in many parts of the world due to its rich nutrient density. It contains fats, protein, vitamin C, iron, carotenoids, potassium and other helpful nutrients which can improve your health. All of the tree's parts are used in different nutritional supplements and are also added to cosmetic products. Certain chemical compounds found in moringa have beneficial biochemical activities which can fight atherosclerosis and boost your immune system, besides possessing powerful antiviral, antioxidant and anti-tumor properties. The tree is rich in antioxidants which clean up your gut and remove any excess waste left over from a greasy meal. 1. Formula to lose weight while you sleep. Moringa has powerful antibiotic properties which can eliminate bacteria in the gut that are responsible for gastritis, ulcers and gastric cancer. The moringa seeds are great for purifying water and work better than most synthetic materials used for the same purpose. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamins, minerals and essential amino acids. Just 100 grams of the tree's leaves contain 9 times more protein than in yogurt, 10 times more vitamin A than in carrots, 15 times more potassium than in bananas, 17 times more calcium than in milk, 12 times more vitamin C than in oranges, and 25 times more iron than spinach. The leaves also contain chlorogenic acid, which can slow down sugar absorption in the body. Moringa can regulate your thyroid function and help it work properly. 1. The tree is rich in fiber that will clean your intestines and remove excess waste from your body. 2. The moringa is a powerful antibiotic agent which is very efficient in eliminating bacteria that cause gastritis, ulcers and gastric ulcer. 3. Moringa seeds are very beneficial as well, especially when it comes to purifying water. They even work better than most synthetic materials used for the same purpose. 4. The moringa leaves are rich in essential nutrients. Just 100 grams of the leaves contain 9 times the protein in yogurt, 15 times more potassium than bananas, 10 times the vitamin A in carrots, 17 times more calcium than milk, 12 times more vitamin C than oranges, and 25 times the iron in spinach. 5. The leaves also contain chlorogenic, which can slow down the sugar absorption in cells. 6. Moringa has shown anti-tumor and anti-cancer effects due to the presence of the compound called niacinamide. 7. The tree can regulate your thyroid function. Is green tea good for diabetes? Green tea and black tea originate from the same exact plant species. For green tea, leaves are taken from the Camellia sinensis plant. They are then quickly heated then dried to prevent oxidation. By contrast, black tea leaves are allowed to fully oxidize before they are heat processed and dried. So, is this green tea really good for you? Why is green tea so healthy? Catechin is a powerful antioxidant proven to fight and may even prevent cell damage. Green tea seems to help keep blood sugar stable in people with diabetes. Because catechins lower cholesterol and blood pressure, they can help protect against the damage a high-fat diet can cause. People with diabetes have problems metabolizing sugar. Insulin comes along to decrease sugar, but with type 2 diabetes, the body is not so sensitive to insulin. So, blood sugar levels go up. Through a complex biochemical reaction, tea, especially green tea, helps sensitize cells so they are better able to metabolize sugar. Green tea is good for people with diabetes because it helps the metabolic system function. Green tea is good for people with diabetes. What kind of drink is good for diabetes? Most of the time, we are very concerned about the food we eat as those with diabetes. Here are some tips on what is best for you to drink as a person with diabetes. Many drinks contain lots of sugars and carbohydrates. Milk tends to be a good source of energy, and people that wish to watch their weight will need to take into account the calorie content of milk. Skim tends to have around half the calories of Whole milk. Fruit smoothies. A fruit smoothie is an amazing thirst quencher and is nutritious too. There are plenty of recipes for good quality smoothies. Coffee. Coffee has been linked with both increased and decreased risks of developing type 2 diabetes. Studies looking into moderate coffee consumption have shown some health benefits, including a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. High coffee consumption has been linked with a higher risk. Tea. Researchers found non-milky tea has identified a range of health benefits, including improving insulin sensitivity and helping maintain healthy blood pressure. Diet soft drinks. Diet soft drinks are low in carbohydrate and low in calories. Diet soft drinks tend to use artificial sweeteners and other artificial agents to provide sweetness, flavor, and color. Over potential health issues, and some people may prefer to limit or avoid their exposure to soft drinks as a precaution. Alcoholic drinks. Alcoholic drinks can be responsible for raising and lowering blood glucose levels, so it is useful to understand how different alcoholic drinks can affect your sugar levels. Some medications interact with alcohol. It is advisable to check the patient information leaflet enclosed with your medication and consult your doctor if you have further questions. 10 Diabetes Home Remedies, Natural Remedies for Diabetes Control. Home Remedies for Diabetes Control. Early stage diabetes can be controlled with fenugreek leaves. Take 2 tablespoons of these leaves, must be taken regularly in the morning for 4 months. Methi or fenugreek leaves included in food is helpful to control diabetic fatigue. Take 2 tender leaves of neem on an empty stomach in the morning. This helps reduce blood sugar levels. Tulsi leaves also can be added to this. 1 tablespoon of powdered jamun seeds mixed with bitter gourd juice taken twice a day helps to control diabetes. A spoon of gooseberry juice also can be added to this. Juice of curry leaves on empty stomach in the morning also helps reduce the blood sugar levels. 1 teaspoon of fig fruit powder daily helps to control diabetes symptoms. Bitter gourd juice 30 to 40 ml per day can help treating mild diabetes. It improves the body's defense mechanism with regular use in food. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder mixed in a cup of water. It relieves itching in diabetes. Methi or fenugreek seeds with garlic forms an effective medicine in reducing blood sugar, nutrients, and constipation in diabetes. Coriander seed decoction reduces abdominal pain in diabetics. Coriander combined with other home remedies helps in reducing diabetic complications. Amla is a versatile potent fruit that helps rejuvenating and toning up of body's resistance to diseases. A very good combination for diabetes is raw amla fruit juice and turmeric powder. Amla juice can be taken with bitter gourd juice also. By following all those home remedies, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels. This simple drink can cure diabetes in just 5 days. Diabetes is a lifetime disease that requires dieting, exercises, and medication. While there is no cure for diabetes, you can control the sugar levels naturally. Try these remedies and effectively control your blood sugar levels. Make sure you are trying home remedies in addition to your regular diabetes treatment. Diabetes causes, types, and symptoms. If there is nothing to worry too much about. There are many ways to control diabetes naturally. This way is simply incredible numerous ingredients: bananas, apples, and kiwis. Finally, a handful of basil seeds. Method of preparation. Bananas. An average-sized banana contains around 27 to 30 grams of carbohydrates. More than half of these carbohydrates are made up of sugars. The larger banana, the higher the sugar content is. That said, bananas also contain important nutrients such as vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, and potassium. Apples. They also contain a good amount of fiber, which is an important part of a healthy diet. One small 6-ounce apple contains the following: 80 calories, 21 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, 0 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, 2 milligrams of sodium, 164 milligrams of potassium. In addition, apples contain vitamin C and a number of phytonutrients including quercetin, camphophyrol, myricetin, and chlorogenic acid. Anthocyanins are what gives apples their red color. Don't worry if the names are unfamiliar. What's important to know is that these natural substances provide a number of health benefits. Kiwis. Fruits like the kiwi fruit contain simple sugars known as fructose. Fructose is similar to refined sugar as it can be digested by the body easily. It enters our bloodstream quickly, but unlike refined sugars found in chocolate and sodas, fructose is slow releasing, and for diabetics, this is very important. Slow releasing means your body cannot use fructose in its original form. It has to be converted into glucose. This conversion process slows down the release of these sugars into your cells and body's metabolism. In this way, your blood sugar levels do not spike up down as they would by eating foods containing refined sugars. Another kiwi fruit benefit for diabetes is the carbohydrate called inositol, which is well known to help regulate insulin levels. Basil seeds. Holy basil may also help to lower fasting and post-meal blood glucose levels. Holy basil was found to reduce fasting blood glucose levels by approximately 17.6% and post-meal blood glucose levels by 7.3%. More research needs to be done to confirm whether or not holy basil can effectively lower blood glucose levels. Soak some basil seeds in water before 30 minutes. Put all the ingredients in a bowl and pour half a liter of water over them. Use. Drink half a liter of this delicious juice in the morning and consume the rest throughout the entire day. By taking this juice regularly, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.